the link. You all should practice for the arrays, matrix, and the mathematics questions. The remaining you should do as your homework. But for today, your focus should be array, matrix, and mathematics. Okay. I hope everyone is getting me. Yes, no. Hello.
Yes. From which page should we start?
Okay, just give me a minute.
Or should we just search it? It doesn't have a search
No,
button.
you can start from page number 3, top. Okay.
Okay.
I have shared the link. You all can start. And like one by one, I will keep the check on your progress as well. But if you are facing any doubts, then you can just unmute yourself and tell me that we are having a doubt.
Sum of the array, ma'am.
Sum of the array. Okay.
Simple array sum.
So are you able to do it, or like any questions?
No, I'm trying now.
Great. And okay, the next is Prashant.
To return the mean and max. So simultaneously, how can I send the two values?
You can check Webhub that how output is getting showed, and then you can think that okay, now how can I display the output?
Okay. No,
You can,
yeah. The thing is, like, I can find the mean and max, but how can I directly return the two values? That's the question, actually.
you can consider storing the values in an array of 2 numbers,
Okay.
and then return the array. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It will
Thank
work. Yeah. Gaurav, what about you?
Yes, ma'am. I am working on this question, print diagonal matrix.
In the diagonal at okay, so are you done with your array questions?
Yes, that one I have completed earlier, few days back.
Okay, great. Continue. If you are stuck on any issue, you can just tell me.
Okay.
Yeah. Ashish, what about you? Yes, Ashish, are you able to hear me? Ashish and Aman?
Yeah, hello.
Hello? Yeah, Aman.
Yeah, I'm solving the first question.
Of arrays?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, say Aman.
Yeah, actually, I'm stuck in this question.
Okay. You can share your screen if you are stuck.
I think it is written host disabled participant screen sharing.
Okay, just a minute.
I didn't get the access.
You now have the access. You can try sharing.
Yeah, I have shared.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
I have written the code from here.
Okay, so you have taken
Empty list.
a list, okay, and then n equals to n. You have taken an input, then
Yeah,
you have run.
Yeah.
You are taking a simple array sum. Sum equals to 0, I in range, L dot append int. Okay, so you are appending all those in your list then.
For each element in list.
And don't you think it should be, if you have written for x in L, then why are you using this I? It should be x only, right? That sum equals to sum plus x.
Yeah, right, ma'am.
Correct. Now you can try running it. See, go down once, go down, don't run. Okay. Actually, let's see if it's working or not. Go down and see if the result has come or not. It didn't. No response. Okay, go up now.
Why these lines has been written? We can solve this question in a simple way then.
Yeah, but these are the lines which are provided by the editor, not written by you, right?
Yeah.
So they have some specific way of printing the output to the console. Okay, that's the thing. And why are you like return print sum you are doing? You just need to return the sum, right? Why are you printing it? Yeah. And yeah, you can try running it now. Again, no response. Go up. Return type. Is it the issue of the return type? You have returned your
I
code.
think have to
Okay, hear me out. Okay, just undo everything first of all. Like I want the fresh IDE like you were given.
okay.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay, now what is happening, Aman? In the question itself, you have been given the array. Okay, they have taken in on behalf of you the n value that you were taking, and they have also taken the list. Now they are giving you that list in your AR, and they are just telling you that you need to find the sum. Okay, so you just need to iterate on that array and find the sum. Is it clear?
Yeah. But ma'am, we will have to write the code here, right?
Yeah, the code for the iteration part only, not anything else.
Okay.
Getting me that the for loop only for the sum, nothing else.
List, right?
Yeah, is it list or the array is being given to you? AR?
I think
No.
in
Don't see
Python.
that part. Don't see that part. See only your function. AR is given to you, right?
Yeah, right.
So you should use AR. You should take one variable. Yeah. So but you should be like at least defining it before. Not up inside the function only you can take. Yeah. And then at last you need to
Where are we taking the length of array? AR.
but do you actually need the length of your array?
Yeah, actually, in this question, 6 is the length of array, and
See, listen, go down. What you are doing is this the part that is given in your console, right? This if name equals to main. Are you able to see that?
yeah,
There is a one variable array count, right?
yeah,
That is nothing but the length of your array.
yeah, right.
Okay. And AR is the list that you are taking. So what I'm trying to say is on behalf of you, the function is doing the thing. Okay. And you are just like writing the function for the sum only. You are not taking the inputs.
Okay.
Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
You should write the return statement after the completion of for loop. Yeah, backspace. Correct. Try running it.
Yeah.
See, it's run. Yeah. Now you try submitting the code. There, it's there, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks.
it's so now you can try solving other questions, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, you can stop sharing and you can focus on other questions. Okay, so Aman is done. Rohit, what about you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm solving second question.
Are you stuck on any question?
No, no. Actually, I'm
Okay,
solving second and I think that question.
it's okay. Mohan, what about you? Yeah, what? Okay, are you like having any issues with solving it? Okay, great. And Vishnu, what about you?
So I'm doing the min max thing. I had a doubt, like to make it best. Should I start comparing from 10 raised power minus 18, like minus 10 to the power 18?
Why?
Like remember one time in the past you shared that in case of duplicates you assign it to some negative number like that, so that we ignore in the next iteration.
Yeah, okay. So in the min-max, why you need to ignore the numbers?
In case if input is repeated, don't want to compare it.
Can you share your screen and tell me exactly what you're thinking?
Yeah, okay, sure. Okay, so here is the like I was thinking that I have the input here.
Okay.
So my thought process was that the minimum is minus 10 to the power 18 is the lowest limit. If anything is
But
higher than, yeah.
Vishnu, 10 to the power minus 18 is the lowest limit, correct? But do you think it can fit into integer range?
Yeah, okay, yes, that's a good question.
What is the the least possible value an integer can store?
Yeah, 214 crores, something like that. Yeah,
Basically, it's minus 10 to the power 9. Okay.
okay,
But you're
yeah,
just storing the double of it, like n square you are storing. And
yeah,
that is the limit of long. So instead of using int min, you should be using long minimum.
okay,
Clear?
okay, yeah,
So the constraints play a very important role in all these things, that how you need to choose your data types and all.
okay, yeah. Um, so again, my thinking is not yet solid yet, but I'm thinking that if I put it as uh, I won't return this value, but I would know that no value could be going, input value would be lesser than this. So if I compare uh, is low, no, I don't know, I'm just writing it.
What
It
is the
cannot.
concept of minimum and maximum?
Oh yeah, okay. Concept of minimum and maximum is that the lowest possible value in the input.
Okay.
So
See, what I'm trying to say is that you are thinking of like putting the indicators, right? That you are saying that if I checked, okay, minus 2 is not the smallest value, I will change it to some other value, right? You're saying that.
if there is a repetition,
Why
okay,
are
no,
you worried about repetition? Okay, think it in this manner that you are standing in front of a row of boys, okay,
yeah,
and you have to choose the tallest boy among them and the smallest boy among them. Clear?
okay, yeah.
So, does it matter that if two boys are having the same height?
Yeah, I mean, it would matter because then the output would be 3.
No,
If there were two
I
of the
am
same smallest values.
The question is not to print all the minimum and maximum element. The question is you have to print the minimum and maximum element. That means if there are two boys, okay, in front of you whose height is the maximum, okay, like the same, and
Right,
two
right.
boys whose height is the minimum.
Okay.
But you just need to give the value of that minimum height. You need not give the count of that much numbers. Are you getting that?
Yeah, yeah. Now I'm
Yeah.
clear.
So indicators are not necessary here, which you were thinking. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
I hope you got it. And regarding this, your int max equals to 0, just think of a test case where all the values are negative, okay?
Yeah.
Then in that case, your maximum will always print as 0. But is it right?
No, that is true. What you're saying is 100% right. But I have to initialize, otherwise will it compile? I was thinking.
Yeah, correct. But initializing, I told you, the best way to initialize your minimum and maximum, need not think much. Either initialize with like you are using long, right? Like if you're using long minimum, you should use long maximum as well.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
And while you are taking input also, you should take it in the long way, like long manner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Where are you taking the input? I cannot see.
No, so size is one. This
Yeah,
I'm,
size you can take in the form of integer, but when you're taking this array value, na, it should
yeah,
be long. Clear?
yeah. That's a
Okay,
very good
great.
point.
So
Yeah.
either you can initialize them with like the minimum long value and maximum long value, or
Right.
else what you can do is you can just initialize them with the first array value or any array value you can say, like whatever array you have been given, right?
Okay.
You can initialize them with its value. Clear?
Okay.
And one
So,
more thing.
yeah,
Yeah,
madam,
let
sorry to
yeah.
interrupt. Yeah. So, but the thing is that in order for this to work, the array is get input is here. How can I initialize it here?
You
Because
can
the
initialize it after taking your array. Will it matter much? Much? Okay, you are
so
doing it on the go. Correct, I got it. So now, yeah, I got that part. You're going right in that way. So
okay.
one more thing. If you have taken long min equals to minus 10 to the power 18, okay.
Mhm.
So let's suppose all your numbers are positive, but then
Yeah.
also your minimum will come as minus 10 to the power 18 because it is the smallest value.
Yeah.
So you should do something contradictory, right? In the minimum variable, you should be storing the maximum value. Are you
Wow, that's
getting that?
good. Yeah. Yeah, that's a great
That-
idea.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So taking all these inputs, now you try to solve the particular question and then let me know if you are stuck, okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
you can stop sharing your screen now.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Kishan and Abhijit, do you have any doubts or questions? You can ask if you want.
value are like I can't understand, nor can I debug. So should
Let me
I?
share it again. Okay, just a minute. Vaibhav, what do you need? What help do
Yeah,
you need?
yeah, ma'am. I have written a code, but I don't know what's going wrong in that. So can I share my screen?
Okay, just give me a minute. Let me just resolve Vishnu's doubt and then I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah. See, this was my thinking that min I have put the highest value. So whatever is the
Not min is less than. If min is greater than your current value, then only you have to change, right? If min is less, then how will you change the values?
so okay. So min is I have put highest value.
Correct. So
So
min will be greater, right?
yeah, it will always be greater. Then okay, it will be like that. Okay, I'm just checking whether this works or not. Okay, so there's a space needed. I think this may resolve. I think I'm good, probably.
Okay, you can stop sharing your screen and Vaibhav, you can start sharing your screen.
Just the stop. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Yes, Vaibhav.
Yeah,
Vaibhav.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah, is it visible?
yeah,
So
it is.
could you please tell me what is wrong in this program?
Okay. So you are taking this, you are initialize. Okay. So when you take an array, okay, so it is self-initialized with the value 0, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are initializing your min and max with like 0, 0, correct? Like array 1 of 0, array 1 of 0 is 0, 0, correct? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So if let's suppose all your numbers are negative,
Okay.
then in that case, if you try to print your maximum, you will get it as 0,
Yes.
but actually you should be getting like the actual maximum value.
Yeah, but ma'am, I'm comparing this maximum with the current value, right? So that value should be stored in max, and then I will return that value.
Okay, you are comparing the value with the max,
Yes,
okay?
yes, yes.
So your array value is negative. Let's suppose all the array values are negative. So
Okay.
will any time this condition will be true? Like, will there be any time when this condition will be true that array of I is greater than max? Able to follow me?
Okay.
No, right? Like
Mhm.
not once also this condition will be executed.
Okay.
And at the end, your max will remain as 0 and it will return 0 itself. You can try it. You can just run your code, okay? Scroll down.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Yeah, yeah,
Test against the custom input. Give all the values here. Okay, just scroll down once. Don't give the value as of now. Scroll down more.
yeah. Wrong answer.
Okay, there is no response also. Go back.
Yeah.
Go back. Go up. See, you are calling your min max function, right?
Yeah.
And it is returning an array. So you should be storing that array, right?
Yes. Okay. And then I need to print that array. Is this
Correct. You need to print
okay?
both the values of
Oh,
the array.
okay. Okay, fine.
Webov, run it. And if any problem, you just tell me.
Okay.
Madam, my test case third and fifth failed, but it doesn't show me what is the problem in those test cases.
Share your screen.
I clicked on this. So I'm getting this.
Okay, okay. It is some runtime error. Okay, if you are able to see, it's not a wrong answer.
Oh,
You can
so
submissions.
sorry. Actually, your voice is not audible. 1 second, I'll maximize the sound.
No. And now it will be fine, I guess.
Yeah. It is clear now. So what should I do?
You
Click
go
on
view results. Yeah, view results.
yes. Okay. So test case.
Now
Hmm.
open in editor.
Okay.
Go down. Okay, so you have taken the values. See, I told you that you need to take the input as long, and still you are taking it as sc.next int. You can see the array values when you are taking
Okay.
array values. I'm talking, Vishnu. Go to your
Mhm.
for loop. Yeah, here you are taking the array values, right? Array of I.
Yeah.
Go up. Are you not able to see the line?
No. Oh, what's the line number? I'm not. Oh, okay.
Line
Got
number
it.
13. Okay.
Okay.
Line number. No. Undo it. Control Z.
Yeah. I did control Z.
Go to line number 13. I'm saying you can see that you have initialized your array as long and you are taking integer values. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Now try running it.
Running was successful, but submit was failed. Oh, okay. Now I understand. Actually, I really like how in different way you think. Okay, it failed.
Now it is giving a wrong answer. Okay. Now again open an editor.
Okay. How to see which test case failed?
You cannot see that.
Oh, okay.
And maximum and minimum should always be like that. Minimum should be the lesser one and the maximum should be the greater one, right? It should not be less than or equals to or greater than or equals to. On line number 14 and
Yeah.
line number 17, you can remove equal to.
Okay. So the idea is that if it were equal to, then it would be exceeding the limit, because here it is less than equal to, like that, and greater than equal to. I'm just trying to understand. Here also they put it less than equal to because array.
Actually, the thing is they are saying that your array value will be either less like greater than or equals to 10 minus 10 to the power 18. Okay. This is not the condition for min and max. They are just giving you the range under
Yeah.
which your values will be given. Okay.
Yeah.
Getting this?
Yeah. So I mean, it can be that this would be the value. So if that is the exact value, then it will not.
It is already stored, right? So it's not going to give you the problem. I hope you are
Oh,
getting that.
no. One more time. Could you
See,
repeat?
what you are thinking is that what if you have been given 10 to the power 18 as your number, right? In
Yeah.
the array.
Yeah.
So when you will be checking it, you will check obviously that if your array of I is greater than your maximum value, correct? And your max is already minus 10 to the power 18. Your array of I is 10 to the power 18. So obviously it will match the condition and your maximum will be allocated. Getting this?
Oh.
It's not going to give you the problem which you're thinking.
See, one thing, I mean, I input this value. Will okay, so I have a input as this, so it will be okay because I have already put this. If it fails,
Correct.
okay, I see now.
Try running it.
Yeah.
Try submitting it.
Okay, test case 3 as well.
Just guess. What can be the probable error? Okay, is
Um,
0 is fine.
is there a possibility to see what is the input? Yeah,
No,
I
no, no.
I feel that we
No,
can't
you
see it.
can't. No, you can't.
I'm thinking that this could be a problem size.
Actually, I was also thinking the same because the remaining code looks perfectly fine. So you can just go ahead and change that and see if it is working or not. But it actually shouldn't be the problem.
Yeah, I also agree.
But you need to change your initialization as well. Next int should not be there.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
is it necessary to write long min equal to 10 to the power 18?
Yeah, what you're saying?
I'm saying
No,
is
no,
it
no. It's not necessary. You can. What my thinking will be like, you can take something here like long. You know that na integer dot max value, integer dot min value. There is a variable. Remember? Aman, do you remember that?
yeah.
Yeah, so you can initialize with that in case you are like doing something like Vishnu, that he's taking the value on the go and checking also. But if you're doing your thing like that, first you have taken the array and then your next step is finding the min and max, then in that case you can just simply take the one of the element as your min and max and then compare it with the remaining elements.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I share my screen? I am stuck in
yeah,
Teams.
yeah. Before that, one
Yeah,
last thing
Aman,
before I.
yeah, just a minute. Aman, I'll just let you share after this, okay?
So it's complaining why? Because this size, it is incompatible, possibly lossy conversion from long to int. So it rules out the possibility that this is the problem.
No, you can just go and you can convert it to
Oh, I see what you're saying.
type
Okay.
conversion.
Is that what you mean?
No, it should be int.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Oh, great. Yeah, that's it.
I'm not sure why it's not working out.
Shall I submit? Yeah, one sec.
Try submitting it.
Yeah, I submitted. It's processing.
Let's see if it works or not. No?
No.
Okay, let me just see it.
See, just to pass this test
Okay,
case 3.
just instead of like Vishnu, you just instead of taking 10 to the power 18, just remove that and take long dot min value and take long dot max value. Like in long min equals to, you can take long dot max value. Just quickly do that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. One sec. Yeah.
And also change that size thing. You can change that size to like int only. It works in that way also.
Oh, okay.
Because there is no sense, it is only 10 to the power 5. So it should work. And it's initialization as well. It should be next int.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now run. And now submit.
Yeah, I submitted processing. Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's because that the long maximum and minimum value is slightly greater than like what you can say 10 to the power 18 or 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 18 what. So probably that was causing the problem. Got it?
Oh, so the long max is lower than 10 to the power 18. Is that what I conclude from this?
What are you saying?
So from this experiment, what I conclude is the long dot max value is a smaller than 10 to the power 18.
And one more thing you can conclude, you can go back to the editor,
Yeah.
go down, and you can like change that values to again, like I'm just telling you, you do this experiment and tell me if it is working or not. Change the values same to 10 to the power 18 and 10 minus 10 to the power 18. Okay. And then in here, instead of like greater than, just place greater than equals to, and less than, you just place less than or equals to, and try running that and tell me that it works or not. Okay.
So what I understand is this
Whatever.
and yeah, this and
Yeah,
this.
correct.
Okay. Okay.
And change those values and then tell me if it worked or not. Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, you have a right solution now, so you can just experiment it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You can
Thank you
stop
so much.
sharing. Yes, Aman, you can share your screen. Richa, where have you reached so far?
Actually, in the min and the max problem, 2 of my test cases are giving warning. It's not failing completely, but it's giving warning. So I was just
It's giving warning. Okay, I'll get back to you after him. Yeah. Okay, Aman, what is the problem?
Yeah, we have to find minimum and maximum sum in an array. So
Okay.
yeah, in by shortcut we have used min sum equal to sum of array minus max of array,
Okay, great.
and max sum equal to sum of array minus min of array, and return means
Correct.
with two,
So,
there are two spaces between min sum and max sum.
run your code. It is not printing your output. Okay, go back now. Okay, let me just see. Go down. Supported operand plus for plus intent str.
Oh, I think
I guess, okay. I guess plus is also not required. You can just print the, yeah. Now try running it.
mm, uh,
You can simply, I guess, just a minute.
can I return in the first in line 19 return min sum, and
You can
in
put
line
the
20
comma. Okay, just hear me out. You can just put these commas, and in between these commas, you can put the inverted bracket, like what we call. Yeah, these, correct. Inverted commas. And in between, whatever space you want to give. Yeah. Now try running it. Again, go down. It's a wrong answer. Okay, wrong answer. Okay, go up.
ma'am, can we write return 2 times, like in line 19 we can return
No. Return can't be written 2 times in the same function. It's only returned once.
yeah.
And
Okay.
you're using these inbuilt functions.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you try printing these results first and show me that it's working or not?
Okay.
That syntax was fine. Okay, so you are getting the right results. Go down. It's just not printing it. Go down. Go down.
Okay.
See the test case 1 as well.
Ma'am,
Okay.
yeah.
Now
Can
go
you?
up. Go up. Go up. Okay, now hear me out. In this particular question, you just need to print your result here itself because there is no return value that you need to return here. Getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
So just directly print after you are getting both the values, just print them. It's because of the spaces. Why is it not taking? Remove the space completely, just keep the inverted brackets. Yeah, now run. I guess there is no space should be printed at all, but it's not true.
Yeah, but
Okay, remove these inverted brackets. Yeah. I guess Python provides inbuilt formatting. That's why it is printing in that way. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, you can just go stop sharing your screen. If do you have any the other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just submit it. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, Tran. Yeah, all of them are accepted. Now you can try solving other questions. Richa, are you still in the doubt?
Yeah, I'll share my screen.
Yeah. Go up. Okay, what problem it is giving you?
Here the test case is passing, but when I submit the code, yeah. So now I'm getting failure.
Okay.
This
Runtime error. Were you listening when I was explaining to Vishnu?
actually I was looking here only.
Okay, you can click on open in editor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go down. See your numbers, your array numbers, just go up. Check the constraints. See, it is saying that the constraints number can be as small as 10 to the power 18 and it can be as big as 10 to the power 18, right?
Yeah, right.
Do you think it can fit into the integer range?
No.
No. It is a long range, okay?
Mhm.
So just initialize your array as a long array instead of the integer array.
Array.
Okay, so you have made. Okay. Yeah, now try running it and try submitting it.
Okay.
Yeah, the array should be long. And that int minimum value should also be long now, the initialization. Return value. You have written int, it should be long. Change in the functions also. Now submit.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Okay, does anyone else needs my assistance? Mohan, Rohit, Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am. I need some help.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Ma'am, this one is the question.
Mhm.
So
Print
this
type.
one, okay. This one I'm able to print this diagonal row, like this one and this one.
Okay.
In these spaces, like I got stuck. Like the test case is passed, but when I'm submitting, then another test case is failed.
Okay, can you show me your code once?
This one.
So you're printing it if is equal j.
This
J.
means I got stuck in this one space part.
See, why you need to keep other conditions for your spaces? You know that the only two conditions where you need to print the numbers, right?
Right, but here, like, ma'am, like a matrix they have given in square matrix, and
Correct.
they are considering this space as well for
Mm-hmm.
this one.
Yeah.
Like if we see, like here, the like here numbers are 5 numbers are there.
Mm-hmm.
So here, like I have to ignore these 3 numbers as per my condition.
Correct.
So I can print 3 spaces for these numbers.
I got that part. Go
But in
down.
the output, like 7 spaces are there.
Mm-hmm.
They are considering this spaces as well. This space between the numbers.
So what you can do is you can notice here that just a minute. Before 75 there is a space, right?
Yes, there is a space.
Before 33 also there is a space.
Yes.
Before 89 also there is a space.
Yes.
So you can just print it in that way, right?
But
What about the last one?
but I have formed the matrix without spaces. They are considering this space for evaluation.
I'm not getting you what you're saying, matrix without spaces. It's not clear to me.
Like like in this matrix, they are considering this space as well, the space between the numbers as well.
Right.
But in the output, like when I say like I need this diagonals, I need this both diagonals, right and left, then I will consider these numbers only, like which I'm not able to. So for these 3 numbers, I can only print 3 spaces.
Okay.
But how to print the space for the others, like the space between the numbers, the other
Go
4
down.
space.
Go down. Go down. Let me see your conditions. Just remove all these. Just remove these two else if for like j equal 0 and j modulus to 1.
Okay.
No, undo it. Keep the last else condition.
This one.
Last else condition, yeah.
Okay. And
Go
here
back. Yeah.
single space I will.
Yeah, single space
Okay.
only. Now run your code.
Now it is
Okay,
saying
so you are getting a congested matrix. Correct.
yes.
Now go up. And in the else, you just print two spaces.
This one is not working, ma'am. I tried this one.
Yeah, just do it. Not working. Now again go up.
Yes.
You can notice in your matrix, after every number, there is a space, right?
Yes.
So
There
while
is a space.
printing your diagonals also, like diagonal numbers, just print one space along with that.
Okay. Here we have to print space, one
Yeah.
extra space.
Now
But
try
it's
running.
not working.
Have you tried this?
Okay, this one.
Try submitting.
Yes, it's working.
Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one more last thing, can I share?
Yeah, sure. I hope Mohan, Rohit, Kishan, Ashish, you are not in any doubts. And if you have any doubts, just ping me or you can share your screen as well.
I
Oh, so one,
Yes. Okay, it's
okay.
giving the error, right?
Yeah, so 1 second, I did couple of R&D. So I print the long max value is greater than 10 to the power 18. This comes out to be true. So why my observation was that when I was putting long dot max value, things were submitting. But when I replace it with 10 to the power 18, which is the corner condition, then it fails this test case.
Yeah, got
So
it.
I'm confused that, see, long max value is bigger. I'm putting a smaller value, and long min value is like.
It's not about that why it is not giving the error with long dot max value, because long dot max value is the maximum value long can store. Okay. So that's why it is not giving the error for that first thing. So you should not be confused regarding that. I have just wanted to check that equals to part. Did you check with the equals to max less than or equals to thing?
Yeah, even then it was failing. So
Yeah, okay. I was just thinking of that. So probably it's like,
so I'll straight away submit because run was working.
yeah, okay, you can.
So I'm just
Okay, it's
talking.
giving the error.
Yeah, even though I'm like not making sense. So technically this is a smaller value than max. This one works, the right side works, the left side doesn't work. So I'm assuming like I'm putting 100 as the min value and max value as minus 100. Then this logic, I'm just for easy understanding, if the value is 100, then 100 is greater than or equal to input is 100, then it will go as min as isn't it? I think am I confused with this higher min I put as plus 100, then it will be 100, and then max is something like, okay, yeah.
It's better to understand it in the terms of long dot max value and long dot min value instead of minus 10 to the power 18 and 10 to the power 18.
Yeah,
Okay, that
yeah,
will make it a lot easier.
yeah,
Clear?
yeah. But to simplify this, I mean, shall I try with this so that if the value is like 100 and I'm min at positive 100, so this is 100 and this 100, and then it should pass. Actually, I'm confused between min and that 10 to the power 18, those long values.
You can directly try printing those values and you can check your answer.
I tried that. I mean, I can uncomment this part. So what exactly you are saying? What
Try printing the values for long dot max value and see what is the value you are getting.
Yeah, so I ran it. It was this value 9,002. It is 10 to the power 19 and above, like that. See, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. It's almost like 10 to the power 19, close to 10 to the power 19.
Got it. Now go back.
Sorry. Yeah, here.
Try printing for if I think it should give the result. But yeah, try checking for minus 10 to the power 18 is greater than or equals to minus 10 to the power 18. It
Oh,
should give
okay.
the result, I guess. No, it's correct, I guess.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I can.
Vishnu, just do a little R&D in that, and if you're still stuck, you can just let me in the
Yeah.
next session, like on Monday. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everyone else, do you have any doubts still?
And ma'am, traversal is not in this. I couldn't find it.
Which traversal?
So matrix traversal 3x3 or 4x4. I want to go from left to right and then vertically, then horizontally, then vertically. Like
You can do it in your practice, like in your ID,
okay,
and because like these many questions we cannot provide on this particular platform. Okay.
okay, fine. Okay, I'm stopping here.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm lastly calling Aman. Do you have any doubts? Aman, do you have any doubts? Ashish, Gaurav, Kishan, Mohan, Richa, Rohit, and Vaibhav. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can just tell me right away. Or else you can just like give your doubts in the group. Where Vishnu, I remember you have sent one of the question. I'll see it today and we'll let you know if there is what is an issue in it. Okay.
No. I don't have any more questions.
Okay.
I'm clear. I think someone replied and it worked.
Okay.
So,
Great.
but you know what? One thing I am really inspired because you are able to think like 10 different people's problem at the same time. Like, how could I be like that?
Just be in the class for some time. Your thinking process will improve a lot. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, have a happy weekend and thank you for joining. Bye.